Hey everyone, today we're gonna talk about the Bizora July updates. What is the biggest update in here is basically the entity section. What you can do now is like basically anytime you like ask questions about items or like clients that are repeating. For example, here you can basically create an entity in here, and this entity will have like the information, any returns you upload, like any kind of information in there that will just like rather be sitting in there, and then we'll have like the type, the legal type, and like the tax classification as well. It will have the documents that you uploaded. It will have the memories that like are utilized, and then you can like delete that entity. If you wish to do not want it like turned on, anytime you ask a question, if like about those, it will like identify like the entity and will like create it over here. If you want to opt out of it, you can go ahead and turn it out from the personalization mode. Okay. Once it's created, like then it becomes a lot easier because then you click on like your entity section in here, and then you can bring that in. So basically, it will bring in all the context it needed from like that specific entity, so you do not need to like feed it again and again. So second thing people have been asking for is like some way to like store their chat so they can reuse it or have the same context. So what we did is like we created the vault. So what you'll do is just click on archive in here, and then you can upload it in the documents in here on like your uploads and any of the projects that you've created, and you can save them in. For example, I saved that chat already into like the July chat, July demo chat, and then you can go ahead and like reference it in here. You can delete it or you can save it. It's like saved in a PDF file. So you, what happens next is that when you want to reference it again, you will go ahead and click on Vault, and from Vault in here, and then you click on July, and then see it's already there, and then you click on that, and that chat would like already resurface it again. So you can use that as a starting point. You can ask for further questions on it. So now it's like already saved, so you don't have to like go ahead and looking for it. So those are like the two big changes that we've did since like the last update, since our basically our June update. So right now you can see like all the changes in here that are like coming in, and that have been like updated. I made a separate video on like the MCP tutorial on how it like connects in there, so you can go ahead and check it out as well. So this one is basically on like one of the changes in the AI assistant for July. All right, thank you so much for watching. All right, take care. Bye bye.